Hi everyone and welcome back to Mathy Wizard. Today we're going to be talking about colligative properties in chemistry. So colligative properties are physical characteristics of solutions that depend only on the concentration or amount of solute particles present, not their identity. So there are two main types of colligative properties. There is boiling point elevation and there is freezing point depression. Boiling point elevation means that whenever we add a solute to a solution, water is going to boil at a higher temperature than normal. So the dissolved particles are going to interfere with the evaporating particles, or the particles that are turning into steam. Therefore, you're going to need a higher temperature to boil. So for example, if you add salt to water when you're cooking pasta, it's actually going to help it cook slightly hotter, because the salt again is interfering with the evaporated particles. So you're actually going to need more heat in order to make it boil. But now freezing point depression is that whenever you add a solute to a solvent, it's going to lower the temperature at which the liquid freezes, because it's disrupting a solvent's ability to form a solid crystal lattice structure. So it's going to require a lower temperature to freeze. So for example, whenever we add salt on roads before it snows, it's actually going to cause the ice to melt because it's dropping the freezing point below 0 degrees Celsius. So if you think about it, whenever you add salt before it starts snowing, the whole point is to avoid the formation of ice. And in order to form ice, it needs to be cold. But when you add salt, it's going to lower the freezing temperature, so you're going to need even lower temperature in order to actually have the ice form, which explains how it's disrupting the water or the snow's ability to form a solid crystal lattice or ice. Therefore, if we add a solute, such as salt or NaCl, to a solvent like water, the boiling point is going to increase and the freezing point is going to decrease because of these colligative properties.